Hey y'all, I'm having a mukbang. My food. So we got sausage. Well, it's steak. Mashed potatoes. Got chicken. And we got this, the nasty part. But the steak busted. I'm gonna have like a seafood one tomorrow, so